Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the U.S. presidents who left indelible marks on the annals of history. Our first stop is the era of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president. Lincoln, a beacon of hope in the tumultuous times of the Civil War, was a firm believer in freedom for all. His Emancipation Proclamation was a clarion call that echoed across the land, liberating millions from the shackles of slavery. His relentless pursuit of unity and freedom forever altered the course of history. Next, we meet Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd president, a beacon of resilience during the Great Depression and World War II. FDR, with his New Deal, breathed life into a faltering economy, creating jobs and restoring hope. His fireside chats, a comforting presence in American homes, were a testament to his leadership. Our journey takes us back to the dawn of the nation, to George Washington, the very first president. His leadership during the American Revolution and his hand in crafting the Constitution laid the foundation for the nation we know today. We then encounter Thomas Jefferson, the third president, a champion of individual rights and education. His penning of the Declaration of Independence was a bold assertion of America's sovereignty. His Louisiana Purchase doubled the nation's size, shaping its destiny. Finally, we meet Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th president, a lover of nature and a crusader for fairness. His creation of national parks and his efforts to regulate big businesses have left a lasting legacy. Each of these presidents, in their unique ways, shaped the nation. Lincoln's fight for freedom, FDR's leadership in crisis, Washington's foundational role, Jefferson's expansionist vision, and Roosevelt's conservation efforts, all have left their imprints on the fabric of America. How do you think their actions resonate in our world today?